Good day, everyone. Welcome to I Square Maths Academy, where numbers and variables actually meet mastery. Today, we are going to be looking at the derivative of x raised to the power of x. Yes, so we're given the value of y to be equal to x power x, and we're asked to find the value of the y all over the x. So solution. Yes, solution. Now, in this kind of case, yes, that involves exponential. Yes, and where the power is also a function. Yes, this is a function and the power is also a function. So in this case, you are to take log of both sides. So taking logarithm, yes, that's natural logarithm of both sides. Yes, of both sides. So here we have ln y is equal to ln x raised to the power of x. Yes, and from the law of logarithm, we know that when you have log m power x, this becomes x log m. Yes, so it means the x here will fall back. So here we have ln y is equal to x ln x. So now we're going to be using the product rule to differentiate this. So here, you tell them differentiating 10 by 10. Yes, or you say differentiating both sides. Yes, both sides. Now when you differentiate ln y, it will give you 1 all over y, the y all over the x. Yes, because we are differentiating with respect to x. So we are treating this as an implicit function. So here, let's differentiate this. This is the product of two functions. So remember we said if y is equal to uv, that the y all over the x is equal to v du all over the x plus u the v all over the x. So it means in this case, here we'll pick v. Our v is ln x. When you differentiate u, which is x, it gives 1. Then plus, you pick x now. You differentiate ln x. When you differentiate ln x, it gives 1 all over x. Yes, 1 all over x. So it means 1 all over y. The y all over the x will be equal to, we have ln x plus, now this x will cancel this x. And here we'll be left with 1. Yes. So now the next step is to multiply through by the LCM. Yes, so multiply through by y. Yes, by y to remove the fraction. So when you multiply through by y, you have y in brackets 1 all over y. The y all over the x is equal to y in bracket ln x plus 1. Yes, y in bracket ln x plus 1. It therefore means that here, yes, it therefore means that here, this y here will go with this y. I'll be left with the y. The y all over the x will be equal to, we have y in bracket ln x plus 1. Now recall, yes, recall, y is equal to x power x. Yes, y is x power x from the question. So it means the y all over the x will be equal to x raised to the power of x in bracket ln x plus 1. So that ends this question. Thank you so much for listening. God bless you.